Frustrated by the PHP XML remote procedure call DLL error causing PHP Project to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Access the official PHP XML remote procedure call diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the PHP XML remote procedure call, the XML-RPC extension for the PHP programming language. It allows web servers to perform remote procedure calls using XML. While largely replaced by REST APIs, it is still required by thousands of legacy WordPress and Moodle installations. If missing, the web server will return a 500 internal server error during external API requests. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open command prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like PHP XML remote procedure call DLL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with PHP XML remote procedure call. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Keep in mind that PHP XML remote procedure call DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If you're addressing PHP XML remote procedure call inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored PHP XML remote procedure call functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.